Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. WhatsApp updated, notifications allowed, and battery optimizations off so messages arrive reliably. Once done, open WhatsApp and verify your phone number. This avoids delivery issues. Next, create a clear message template you will reuse for notifications so you stay consistent. Make sure your contacts are saved with correct country codes, otherwise messages may fail. This quick setup prevents common errors and gets you straight into sending repeatable, on-time notifications. Now configure WhatsApp so notifications stand out. Go to Settings then Notifications and choose a distinct sound and high priority. This ensures you notice alerts immediately. Once configured, open a chat and customize per chat alerts for important contacts and star message templates for quick reuse. For sending to multiple people simultaneously without creating a group, use broadcast lists. They deliver one-way notifications without replies cluttering a thread. These steps make notifications both visible and manageable in daily use. Finally, send test notifications to confirm delivery. Ask recipients to reply so you verify two-way reachability. Once tests pass, set up shortcuts or an automation app to schedule messages or trigger on events. This removes manual repetition and ensures timeliness. If notifications fail, troubleshoot. Check app permissions, background data, and network connectivity, then restart the phone and recheck WhatsApp status. A single checklist like this resolves most issues and keeps your notification system reliable and professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.